Did you like it, Stitch? Do you like it?
Oh, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh, yeah. It's so nice. Your fur looks so pretty.
Do you like it, baby? Are you gonna take any bites of it? Take a bite of it? I'm just gonna lick it. So
First time trying watermelon, what do you think?
You can't take that bit. Can I eat the green bit?
Yum! Dairy Queen, y'all. Go get yourself a pop cup.
Come on, buddy. Woohoo! Something. This is Augie's first puppuccino. Oh, yeah. Ernie in the sink! Ernie in the sink! Ernie is in the sink!
I've never seen a puppy so small in my life. 7 weeks old today.
Lola, are you swinging? Good girl. Look at you. You love it. Where are you taking that, Lola?
Quit with Lola.
You want to be groomed too?
Go, go.
Woo!
Come on.
Puppy ice cream. Oh boy, it's so good. Good boy.
Yeah! Come over here, come on.
are you relaxed? Go!
Rosie. There it is. There it is. Oh, you're so brave today. Come on, Maverick. Come on. Come here.
Yeah, bats are not so bad.
Friends? No. Okay, bye.
like the sun? Oh, yeah. It's so nice.
She's so cute.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dory, I'm singing.
I love to swim in
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he? Go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy.
Oh, it's ice cream makes anyone feel better after a tough day.
Мы не ели уже целую секунду, боже мой. К чему же присосаться? Спасите, помогите, целая секунда без еды. Боже мой.
Hi, puppy. What do you think of the outdoors? Do you like it?
I think you got it all.
Did you get all the puppuccino? I did all the puppuccino.
Surf, surf. Good boys. Ride the waves, Owen. Ride them.
Come on! Get in here.
Miss Pink. Getting your first bath.
Oh my god, okay, wait. Sit still for a second.
Stop holding my hand! I don't need help! Yes, you do! Hello! Good morning! Good morning! You tired? You tired, girl?
What you doing, Boo?
Boo!
Come on, let's go.
Hey, dog. Just let him go.
Ziggy! Ziggy! Squishing your beautiful face.